Welcome friends, I am Ramakant Bandekar from Devgarh College. Herewith we are dealing with the second lesson from the first section of the textbook Yuvak Bharati English Standard 11, and the lesson is on to the summit we reach the top. This lesson has been written by Sherpa Tenzing, one of the two individuals known to reach the summit of Mount Everest. Let us see the introduction in brief of Sherpa Tenzing. Let me read the introduction from the textbook, page number 16. Tenzing Norgay, known by birth as Namgyal Wangdi and often referred to as Sherpa Tenzing, was a Nepali Indian Sherpa mountaineer. He was one of the first two individuals known to reach the summit of Mount Everest, which he accomplished with Edmund Hillary on 29th May 1953. Let me read, let me come to the points. Tenzing Norgay, the original name as Namgyal Wangdi. We know him by the name Sherpa Tenzing. Born as Nepali, but later on he got the citizenship of India. Along with Edmund Hillary, the writer named Namgyal Wangdi, popularly known as Sherpa Tenzing, stepped the first human foot on Mount Everest, the roof of the earth. शेर्पा तेनसिंग यांचं खरं नाव जे आहे ते नॅमग्याल वांगडी ते शेर्पा तेनसिंग या नावाने प्रसिद्ध होते. Let me give you some more information about Sherpa Tenzing. Norgay, that is Tenzing Norgay or alias Sherpa Tenzing, was born in Khumbu, a mountainous district of Nepal, but he was ambitious to leave his hometown and seek a greater range of opportunities in India. He left home aged 19 without telling his parents and settled in a Sherpa community in Darjeeling, India. शेर्पा तेनसिंग जन्माने नेपाळी होते. त्यांचा जन्म नेपाळ येथील खुंबू या पर्वतराईतील जिल्ह्यात झाला. पण हा माणूस खूप महत्वाकांक्षी होता आणि म्हणून वयाच्या 19व्या वर्षी आपल्या आई वडिलांना न सांगता विविध संधी शोधण्यासाठी भारताच्या पश्चिम बंगालमधील दार्जिलिंग या शहरात शेर्पा वस्तीत स्थिर झाला आणि म्हणून त्यांना नेपाळी भारतीय म्हणतात. Along with Edmund Hillary, the mountaineer from New Zealand, the writer Sherpa Tenzing stepped the first human feet on the Mount Everest, the roof of the earth. Sherpa Tenzing Edmund Hillary यांच्या सहाय्याने 1953 मध्ये माउंट एव्हरेस्ट, जे हिमालयातील सर्वात उंच पर्वत शिखर आहे आणि ज्याच्या उंचीमुळे त्याला पृथ्वीचे छप्पर म्हणतात, अशा ठिकाणी पहिलं मानवी पाऊल पडलं ते या दोघांच्या रूपाने. So Edmund Hillary is also significant, is important as Sherpa Tenzing, and so let us be introduced with Edmund Hillary. Edmund Hillary was born in Auckland, New Zealand. When he was 16, he went on a school trip to Mount Rupivu in New Zealand, and this cultivated a love of trekking in mountains. He worked hard to cultivate his love of trekking, and In 1953, British Mount Everest expedition was organized. It was the ninth mountaineering expedition. So the first 8 expeditions to Mount Everest were failed, and this was the ninth expedition to attempt the first ascent of Mount Everest. It was led by Colonel John Hunt. It was organized and financed by Joint Himalayan Committee. Hillary was chosen to join the British Joint Himalayan Committee, and after a selection process, he was chosen for the final summit along with Tenzing Norgay, that is Sherpa Tenzing, the writer of this article. Uh, the expedition was set up uh, in March 1953. They set up a base camp at the foot of Himalaya, and they reached the summit. That is, both of them. They reached the summit on 29th May 1953, creating a notable milestone in mountaineering. हिलरी यांचा जन्म ऑकलंड म्हणजे न्यूझीलंडचा. जेव्हा ते 16 वर्षाचे होते तेव्हा त्यांनी गिर्यारोहणाची ट्रिप रुपेऊ या पर्वत रांगेतील एक ट्रिप होती, त्यांच्या शाळेने काढली होती. आणि त्यांना तिथे जे ते पहिल्यांदा तिथे गेले, रुपेऊ हे पर्वत चढला आणि तिथं ट्रेकिंग केलं आणि तिथं त्यांना गिर्यारोहणाची आवड निर्माण झाली. ती त्यांनी जपली आणि मग 1953 ला जेव्हा ब्रिटिश माउंट एव्हरेस्ट एक्सपिडिशन चे आयोजन करण्यात आले आणि त्या मोहिमेसाठी त्यांची निवड झाली. सदर मोहीम ही मी मगाशी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे 9वी होती, म्हणजेच अगोदरच्या 8 मोहिमा ह्या फेल ठरल्या होत्या. आता या 9व्या एक्सपिडिशनचे प्रमुख होते कर्नल जॉन हंट. आणि अंतिम निवडीमध्ये हिलरी यांच्या सोबत आपल्या या लेखाचे लेखक जे आहेत तेनसिंग नॉर्गे, दॅट इज शेर्पा तेनसिंग, हे होते. आणि मार्च 1953 ला हिमालयाच्या पायथ्याशी बेस कॅम्प उभा करण्यात आला आणि या मोहिमेसाठी 400 लोक सहभागी झाले होते. त्यामध्ये डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेस, वाहक, गिर्यारोहक अशा बऱ्याच लोकांचा समावेश होता. तेनसिंग आणि हिलरी यांनी 29 मे 1953 या दिवशी माउंट एव्हरेस्ट हे हिमालयातील सर्वोच्च पर्वत शिखर सर केले. माउंट एव्हरेस्टचे हे पहिले पाऊल होते. इथं पहा, एक फोकस व्हावा किंवा लक्षात राहावं म्हणून इथं वेब चार्टच्या सहाय्यानं हे मानवी इतिहासातील माउंट एव्हरेस्टचे पहिले पाऊल इथे दाखवण्याचा प्रयत्न केलेला आहे. Here the achievement of these two is shown in the web chart. The first 2 individuals known to reach Mount Everest. The first one is Tenzing Norgay, alias Sherpa Tenzing, and second one is Edmund Hillary. Okay. See the Mount Everest, the picture of Mount Everest, and the planting of 4 flags. हे कोणत्या देशाचे झेंडे होते हे आपण पाहणार आहोतच. इथं here Edmund Hillary at left and Sherpa Tenzing at right. Here the pictures of more pictures of Tenzing and Hillary. Here the picture on the front page of the magazine titled Life. इथं पहा 13 जुलै 1953 हा इश्यू आहे. Step by step to the top of Everest with Hillary and Tenzing. And here also the duo is seen with the inspirational message. People do not decide to become extraordinary, they decide to accomplish extraordinary things. Sir Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. Friends, here Tenzing describes the, the climb to the top, and all events occurred during the historic climb. Now in this first part, what we are going to see is shown here. The writer's determination and the role of anchor, and about 4 flags. Colonel Hunt allowed to take Indian flag before the last 60 to 70 feet to the top of the world. They had to pass up a steep line of rocks and the team spirit. Now here is the slide number 8. It is the beginning of the lesson. Let me read the extract first. Page number 16, the first 3 paragraphs on the page. On to the summit, we reached the top. When we left Camp 9 on Friday morning, I was determined to get to the top on this day. That morning, I remember thinking I was to get to the top even if I die. I was not afraid to die that day. We set out early and all the way from Camp 9 to the peak we alternated. I would take the lead and then Hillary, the man who follows when climbing, has a difficult job both in climbing up and climbing down. He is the anchor, the man going in the lead cuts the steps and breaks the way. In my pocket, I had 4 flags. When we were still at Camp 4, Colonel Hunt gave me 3 flags of Britain, the United Nations, and Nepal. He charged me with the duty of planting them on the top of the world. Let me come to the points. When they left Camp 9 on Friday, the writer's determination was, at any cost, he had to reach the top, that is, the summit of Mount Everest. He was ready to die that day in that attempt. Tenzing and Hillary both were doing the role of anchor. Here, anchor means the leader. बेस कॅम्प पासूनचा हा 9वा कॅम्प, म्हणजे बेस कॅम्प, कॅम्प नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. आता प्रत्येक टप्प्यावर, प्रत्येक कॅम्पवर हे जे काही 400 पैकी थोडे 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 कमी 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 होत होते. म्हणजे बेस कॅम्पला सगळे होते. त्यानंतर ज्यांची आवश्यकता नव्हती ते तिथंच राहायचे त्या कॅम्पवर, बेस कॅम्पवर. बाकीचे कॅम्प नंबर 1, 2, 3 असे करत करत 9व्या कॅम्पला हे फक्त दोघेच राहिले होते. अंडरस्टँड? सी, बेस कॅम्प पासूनचा हा 9वा कॅम्प शेवटचा कॅम्प होता. अँड ऑन फ्रायडे मॉर्निंग या दोघांनी म्हणजे तेन्झिंग आणि हिलरी यांनी भल्या पहाटे हा कॅम्प सोडला. तेव्हा तेन्झिंग यांचा निश्चय असा होता की आता कोणत्याही परिस्थितीत एव्हरेस्ट सर करायचं, काही होऊ, एक तर एव्हरेस्ट सर, नाही तर मरण. आणि म्हणून भल्या पहाटे त्याने कॅम्प 9 सोडला. अंडरस्टँड. नाव ह्या दुसऱ्या पॅराग्राफ मध्ये त्याने म्हटलेलं आहे, आळीपाळीने ते अँकर आणि फॉलोअर ची भूमिका घेत होते. हु इज अँकर? अँकर इज द लीडर अँड ही हॅज द जॉब ऑफ मेकिंग द वे. म्हणजे बर्फामध्ये तो रोड आईस चा वापर करून पायऱ्या तयार करणं, स्टेप्स तयार करणं, रस्ता तयार करणं हे अँकरचं काम होतं. आणि जर अँकर कुठेतरी निसटला तर त्याला आधार म्हणून हा फॉलोअर असायचा. आणि ते दोघेही अँकर आणि फॉलोअर या दोघांची भूमिका करत होते. या दोघांना मध्ये एक दोरी होती. हा दोरीचा सिम्बॉल म्हणून वापर केलेला आहे, तो पुढं लेखकानं तिथं मांडलेलंच आहे. त्या दोघांना बांधणारी ती दोरी होती. Anchor's job is difficult in climbing up and climbing down. While climbing up, he has to make the path for climbing. So he would cut the steps in ice and breaks the way. Anchor चं काम खूप कठीण असतं, पर्वत चढतानाही आणि पर्वतावरून उतरतानाही. रस्ता बनवायचं काम सोपं नाही, तो बर्फ तोडून स्टेप्स बनवतो. आता इथे ह्या शेवटच्या पॅराग्राफ मध्ये इन माय पॉकेट आय हॅड 4 फ्लॅग्स, हा रेफरन्स काय आहे तर तो आपण पाहायचा आहे. See this picture of the flag of Great Britain, the flag of United Nations, the flag of Nepal, and the flag of India. In my pocket I had 4 flags, that is of Britain, United Nations and Nepal. आता चौथा इंडियाचा फ्लॅग कसा आला हे पाहू नंतर. आता प्रथम say why Great Britain? Because Britain was involved in this expedition. The leader was John Hunt, Colonel John Hunt. Understand? Why United Nations? Because it is the organization of all nations. Why Nepal? Because Mount Everest is situated in Nepal and आपल्या माहितीसाठी Tenzing Norgay belongs to that nation. Now इथं पुढच्या स्लाइड मध्ये in the next slide we have the explanation of why Indian flag was there. Tenzing kept the 4th flag that and that was of India. Here we see the Tenzing's love for India. See, this is 9th slide. Let me read the extract first. Colonel Hunt allowed to take Indian flag into inverted comma. These 3 flags are in your care, he said. When you and Hillary reach the top, put them at the peak. I am sure that you and Hillary are going to do it. I told Colonel Hunt that I was carrying the Indian flag with me and I would like to be on the top with the other flag. I had to ask Colonel Hunt's permission in his capacity as the leader of expedition, Indian flag. Colonel Hunt said, by all means, I am glad to know that you brought an Indian flag. See, Colonel Hunt told Tenzing that those 3 flags were in his care. When Tenzing and Hillary reached the top, they should put them at the peak. He was sure that Tenzing and Hillary were going to do it. Then, which was the 4th flag? Tenzing has written in the indirect speech, the flag was of India. Here we find how much Tenzing loves India it is national pride for him. Here the only point in this slide is that the head of the expedition, Colonel Hunt, allowed Tenzing to carry Indian flags along with the three flags. The flags, one is of Great Britain and United Nations, and then third one is the flag of Nepal. कर्नल हंट याने तेनजिंग यांना भारतीय झेंडा इतर तीन झेंड्या सोबत नेण्याची परवानगी दिली. तेनजिंग हे गिर्यारोहक म्हणून जे घडले ते भारतात घडले. दार्जिलिंग या ठिकाणी त्यांची गिर्यारोहक म्हणून कारकीर्द सुरू झाली आणि म्हणून भारताविषयी त्यांना अत्यंतिक प्रेम होते. Now here is the 10th slide. Let me read the extract. Before the last 60 to 70 feet to the top of the world, they had to pass up a steep line of rocks. After 1 hour of steady going, we cut across from the south face and started up the west side, where we had to pass up a steep line of rocks. This was slow and difficult. Once we had cleared this, there was nothing barring our way to top but a snow-covered incline sloping less and less as it neared the top. These last 60 or 70 feet up the top were not very dangerous, but we kept up the same steady pace, and we reached the small flattened summit almost together. See, this is the picture of Mount Everest, and see, these 60 to 70 feet were not so difficult, but before them, this portion was a steady one, and it was very difficult for them, because here it is highlighted, we had to pass up a steep line of rocks. This was slow and difficult. एव्हरेस्ट सर करण्यापूर्वीचे 60 ते 70 फूट तुलनेने खूप सोपे होते, पण त्या अगोदरचे अंतर म्हणजे तो उभा पहाड होता. आणि इथे एक शब्द त्यांनी वापरला, अ स्टीफ ऑफ लाईन ऑफ रॉक्स. आणि तो भाग केल्यानंतर त्यांना एव्हरेस्ट सर करण्यापासून कोणीही रोखणारे नव्हते. इथे तेनजिंग म्हणतात की या दोघांनी मिळून हे एव्हरेस्ट पर्वत शिखर, जे पृथ्वीचं छप्पर आहे असं म्हणतात त्याच्या उंचीमुळे, ते त्यांनी सर केलं. together, team spirit is there. See, now here is the 11th slide. Let me read the extract first. The team spirit. During the last 50 feet from the peak, Hillary and I were moving about 20 feet apart. We were tied together with a rope. Most of the time, the rope was loose, but we went our dangerous ground. We drew it taut. Taut means stretch or pulled tight. This rope was a symbol. It tied us together. One could not move without the other. We were not two individuals, but a team. Let me come to the point. The writer says that Hillary and he were tied together with a rope, and the rope connected both of them together. Here, it is nice that both of them considered that they were not two individuals, but a team. And it is because of the rope, and therefore, rope was a symbol. The team spirit is significant here in both of them. See, it is the team spirit. They are not two persons but a team. They are tied together with the rope. Here the rope is symbol. They could not go away from each other because of the rope. तेनजिंग म्हणतात की एव्हरेस्ट सर करण्यापूर्वीचे 50 फूट आणि इथे ते एकमेकापासून साधारणतः 20 फूट मागे पुढे होते, 20 or 30, आणि त्यांना बांधणारी एक दोरी होती. काही वेळेस ती दोरी सैल पडायची. जेव्हा त्यांना धोका वाटायचा तेव्हा ती त्यांच्यापैकी एक जण कोणतरी घट धरायचा. या दोरीला एक प्रतिकात्मक अर्थ होता, कारण त्या दोघांना बांधणारी ती एकमेव अशी दोरी होती की ती त्या दोघांना बांधून ठेवलेली होती. आणि म्हणून तेनजिंग म्हणतात या दोरीने ते एकत्रित आले होते आणि म्हणून ती त्यांची एक टीम होती. या ठिकाणी एक टीम स्पिरिट आपल्याला पाहायला मिळते. पुढील भागात उर्वरित भाग पाहू. धन्यवाद.